Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Holistic Traveler. As you have seen in my previous vlog that we completed a day tour of Lumbini. If you haven't watched it, I'm linking in the I button. Do give it a watch. Right now we are at the Lumbini Domestic Airport, also known as the Vera Hawa Airport. We have booked our flight from here to Pokhara, which is a 20 minutes ride and booked by Buddha Air. Our flight is delayed by 1 hour, so we are just now submitting our luggages, getting our tickets checked and having a cup of coffee, waiting to board soon. Finally, we are heading on to the Pokhara International Airport. 3:30 p.m. and I have checked into my hotel. Swimming pool, Fewa Lake, mountains, greenery, and this is the resort. It's a waterfront resort. It's a beautiful property maintained by the KGH group. They have two chains over here. One is the waterfront and another was the Himalayan front. We got to know it today from our driver, so we have requested them to give us one night in Himalayan front. What a beautiful and majestic view right from this hotel. It's a gorgeous property that you can check out.
And this one is green leafy vegetable, chicken curry, Nepali liquid dal, mustanga aloo, is potato, Nepali and tawa fish, and chutney. This Nepali pig chutney, yogurt, green salad, and this one one of the special thali. Yes, this is a fish pulao, green leafy vegetable, salad, dahi, chutney, fish, tawa fish, mustanga aloo, and dal makhani and prawn curry. And we come roti is in the side. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Today I'm going to show you what to do in Pokhara, which places you all should visit. I'm skipping the Peace Pagoda, which is another pagoda over here, or Golden Stupa I think that is called. But anyway, I'm skipping that because it has 360 stairs to climb, which I'm avoiding because I have senior citizens with me, and also because we have visited enough stupa and pagoda in Thailand, Darjeeling, Gangtok. So giving this a miss. Rest of the places which I'm going to go, I'm going to record and share my experience with you. So we are done visiting this place. So basically the stairs that is leading up to the top of the temple is shut. So at the bottom only you can do your pradakshina and check out the Shiv idols, small idols that has been created over there, but it was extremely overcrowded. So it's best if you come a little early in the morning. We are quite late, it's already 10:30. mystery in itself. I don't know where we are going, but it's quite dark. If you have senior citizens who are not fit, please don't try this. It's extremely deep down and flights of stairs. That too, all the stones are very watery and slippery. I don't think I can record any further, but yes, I'm going to share the image once I reach below. After the extreme tough hiatus of Gupteshwar cave, we are currently at the Devi's Falls. The fall that you will see from Gupteshwar cave absolutely down below is the same fall that you will be seeing at Devi's Falls from the top. So all those who are coming with seniors, or if you're having breathing trouble, even if it's for us, it's quite tough, quite slippery, wear proper shoes. But other than that, I would suggest that you can trek down to the temple and then come back from the temple, because beyond that, the falls that you're going to trek down and see, you can very much see from here. That's the cave which is entering down, which is connecting to the Gupteshwar cave. This is the wishful lake. They have told that if you are able to stick the coin to the center of the place where the goddess deity is there, your wish is going to get fulfilled. This is our next spot for today. That is the way to Vindhyavasini lift, which will take you 100 NPR. So you can either climb the stairs or go via it.
It's the second capital city in India, yeah? No.
Yeah.
It means husband and children long life. That it is very old tree, about 1600 years old. But this tree is not allowed to sacrifice.
Okay.
And madam, this is the main temple of this area.
Entry fee of 60 NPR. So you have to enter from there, climb down the stairs, and this is the Sethi river, one of the most important rivers of Nepal. So you have to enter from here. There is tunnel number 3 written. Take that way and walk out of it. That's all. was our last destination for today, and it's about to rain, so we are heading back to our hotel. It was a great trip. So it's almost raining, and if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another vlog from Pokhara. Till then, bye bye, take care.